Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial we will know about mechanical mates. Now I open new assembly environment. Now I insert some parts. Insert component. This part. Open. OK. Again insert component. Now go to mate. This inner face and this rod. This face and this face. OK. This face and this face. OK. This face and this face. Now go to mechanical mates. First is cam mate. First of all, this is asking about cam path. Select this. Now in cam follower, select this. OK, our cam mate is applied. Now see here, by rotating it, it will also work. This is cam mate in SOLIDWORKS. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.